In today's digital world, AI tools are transforming content creation. These smart platforms simplify writing, generating ideas, and optimizing content effortlessly. But have you ever wondered how these AI tools understand and craft content that resonates with audiences? How do they precisely create engaging content that feels so human-like? In today's video, we're diving into smart tools that make writing online stuff easier. These cool computer programs help make words that grab your attention and feel like a person wrote them. But how do they know what makes us feel things? Let's explore how these super smart tools use their magic to make words that touch our hearts and minds, changing the way we make things online. So let's jump in and see how these clever machines are making writing cooler and friendlier for all of us. GrowthBar. GrowthBar, a comprehensive AI-powered marketing tool, integrates content creation, keyword exploration, and optimization within a unified platform. It empowers users to generate various content types, spanning from product descriptions to entire articles and sales emails, eliminating the need for multiple tools. GrowthBar also supports collaboration in multiple languages and offers a Chrome extension for easy research directly in Google search results. The pricing structure includes a 7-day free trial, allowing users to experience any plan before committing. The available plans range as follows: Basic plan at $29 per month for a yearly subscription or $48 per month for a monthly plan. Pro plan priced at $79 per month annually or $99 per month for monthly subscriptions. And the premium plan available at $129 per month for yearly commitment or $199 per month for monthly subscriptions, catering to various subscription preferences and budgets. WriteSonic. WriteSonic, an AI-powered content creation tool, effortlessly crafts engaging content with diverse templates, overcoming writer's block. Its features include content generation, paraphrasing, story creation, and landing page development. Additional products like ChatSonic, PhotoSonic, and AudioSonic expand its capabilities. Seamless integration with WordPress and Zapier enhances user-friendliness. Pricing includes a free plan, while small team and freelancer plans at $19/month and $20/month cater to different needs. The $500/month enterprise plan suits larger-scale operations. Despite simplifying content creation and offering a time-saving email feature, the free version may have limitations, making paid plans more comprehensive for users seeking broader functionalities. CopyAI. CopyAI stands as a versatile platform armed with an array of automated copy generation tools, aiming to combat writer's block and assist users in effortlessly crafting captivating content. Simplifying content creation from social media captions to blog posts, it offers over 100 templates and an intuitive interface designed to cater to various content needs. With accessibility at its core, CopyAI provides a free plan allowing access to AI content generators without subscription. The platform also offers the Pro plan at $49/month monthly or $36/month annually, and the Team plan at $249/month monthly or $186/month annually, catering to diverse content creation needs with added features. In essence, CopyAI efficiently aids in crafting personalized brand content and proves instrumental in developing effective content marketing strategies, serving as a valuable resource for content creators. Scalenut. Scalenut is a helpful content tool that brings together keyword research and editing to make content creation easier. It has an AI SEO editor that helps edit documents based on chosen keywords and gives insights about competitors. The tool is good for making long and short content like social media posts and captions. Scalenut also connects with WordPress publisher, SEMrush, and Copyscape, allowing teamwork and better content. Its pricing includes 3 plans: Essential at $39/month, Growth at $79/month, and Pro at $149/month, providing options for different content needs. Overall, Scalenut gives users control over content creation, suitable for both beginners and pros by offering necessary tools for successful content marketing. Surfer. Surfer is a smart tool that uses AI to help create content by checking popular keywords, editing content, and studying search results. It's good for planning and making content that fits what people search for. This tool suggests outlines, tips for editing, and has a special editor for documents. Surfer's AI writing tool makes SEO-friendly content and helps with research and templates. There are 2 plans. Essential is $89/month monthly or $69/month annually. And Advanced is $179/month monthly or $149/month annually, giving choices based on what you need. Overall, Surfer is a strong content tool that's helpful for different businesses, making content creation and improvement easier with its various features. Simplified. Simplified is a helpful platform using smart AI to make writing easier for businesses. It does lots of things like creating images, editing videos, and managing social media. It's good for making blog posts, emails, and social media content effortlessly. Simplified stands out for making videos, images, and managing social media posts in different ways. It connects well with other platforms and makes teamwork easy. There are 2 plans. Free with limited features and Pro for $10/month billed yearly. Overall, Simplified is a great choice for businesses needing different content tools powered by AI. Article Forge. Article Forge is a smart tool that uses AI to create unique articles quickly. It's great for making content fast while making sure it's good quality and can be found easily on search engines. This tool creates complete articles from scratch, based on given keywords, and focuses on making content that ranks well online. It can also make articles in different languages. There are 2 plans. A monthly plan for $57/month and a yearly plan for $27/month, paid yearly. Overall, Article Forge is helpful for content makers and businesses needing lots of content regularly without compromising quality. Narrato Workspace. Narrato Workspace is a teamwork platform made to help with planning and making content together. It's easy to use and has AI to assist with writing. This workspace helps teams plan their content and schedule smoothly with its content planning and strategy feature. It also makes teamwork easier using collaboration tools and supports writing with AI help. There are 3 plans. Starter for $49/month monthly or $29/month annually. Professional for $99/month monthly or $59/month annually. And Business for $199/month monthly or $119/month annually. Overall, Narrato Workspace is great for content teams and creators, offering a place to work together and plan content strategies efficiently with AI writing support. WriteMe.AI. WriteMe.AI is a helpful writing platform with smart AI tools for different types of writing. It's great for making, editing, and refining content, no matter the industry you're in. This platform uses AI to give suggestions and support for various kinds of writing. It helps make articles, improves them for search engines, and edits content too. It's good for different types of content, like articles or social media posts, making it fit for various needs. There are 2 plans. The basic plan at $19/month monthly or $15/month annually, and the Pro plan at $49/month monthly or $39/month billed annually. Overall, WriteMe.AI offers useful writing tools and AI support for anyone needing help with creating different kinds of content. That's it for today. Every platform we talked about in this video has its special things that help with making content. Using these AI tools can really help make your content better, quicker, and more engaging on the internet. It's a good idea to use them to make your content creation easier and make your content better for everyone who sees it online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.